As the curtain fell on the week-long ICC proceedings, the spotlight shifted to Belgut MP Charles Keter following a revelation by Sylvia Chebet, the legal representative of some 327 victims of post-election violence.
Mr. Keter was heard to say that, and it is in quotes, "We have come to establish that this," he means the case before the ICC in brackets, "is pure falsehood hatched by PNU supporters and those who call themselves human rights activists."
The content of the email, as read by Sylvia Chebet, sent shockwaves all the way to Kenya as Kenyans watched the proceedings streamed live from The Hague.
Mr. Keter went on to warn that the confirmation of charges would be over by Wednesday or Thursday and that, quote, "these people will face unspecified consequences," close quote.
I was there and I laughed. I'm not so naive to say such things. I think the history is there, and sometimes you laugh. Those are part of the lies which has been there. We defeat these ones, the other one comes.
This is reportedly the 13-minute interview with Kass FM that introduced Charles Keter's name to the ICC's pre-trial chamber.
The most shocking thing that our people wrote, is that we slaughtered dogs so that we drink the blood in Molo, things I have never heard in the history of the Kalenjin.
Somebody was reading an email with no name, from no location. An email, you can generate an email from somewhere and send it. A genuine person would have said, "I'm so and so, I heard Charles talk about this, and it is not good."
He admits he did talk about two witnesses and their contradicting accounts as heard in the radio interview, but not the bit about issuing threats or inciting Kalenjin sub-tribes against each other.
Saying that, I said that the colleges were pigane. I mean, am I stupid or am I mad?
ICC Senior Legal Officer Gilbert Bitti warned against threatening witnesses, saying it amounted to obstruction of administration of justice, an offence that attracts a jail term of up to 5 years.
The assessment of the threat and the decision on which measure has to be adopted, this is in the hands of the court.
He added that the case against the Ocampo Six may not be conclusive and the prosecutor may initiate fresh charges against more post-election violence suspects if sufficient evidence was gathered. Meanwhile, two of the suspects who were at The Hague for their confirmation of charges hearings, William Ruto and Joshua Sang, are expected back in the country tomorrow. Sylvia Chebet, Citizen Weekend.